Alright, we have done Brokers, Cabaretti, Maestros, Obscura. We are now on to Riveteers Rampage. Alright, Henzi Toolbox Tor, legendary creature, is the commander for Riveteers. What's it? Alright. They're not making these boxes like they used to. What I mean. Down to the main attraction. Life counter. And a lot more action. Henzi Toolbox Tor. Riveteer Rampage, playing the deck, Commander rules. Let's talk. Advertismo. Mythic, the Beamtown Bullies, legendary creature, Ogre Devil Warrior, extended art. Glamorous Outlaw, got it again in foil. Alternate, but not the embossed version. Not the promos version either. Let's talk. So this one's got the cup mark to pull up there. This one actually worked. Alright. Henzi, Toolbox Tor. Legendary creature, mythic. Foil, the Beamtown Bullies. Mythic. So I got the extended art and the foil. So that's pretty cool. Glittering Stockpile. Riveteer's Charm. Riveteer's Overlook. Artisan of Kozilek. Eldrazi. Nice. Victimize. Explore. Farseek. Garrick's Uprising. Indrik Stomp Howler. Kodama's Reach. Migration Path. Overgrown Battlement. Rampant Growth. Timur Sabertooth. Cat, huh? Death Reap Ritual. Enchantment. Terminate. Arcane Signet. Commander Sphere. Bellowing. Oh, wow, there's only two of those, huh? The other ones all had a bunch. Bellowing Mauler. We're into the rares now. Protection Racket. Wave of Rats. Ooh, I can get one of those put in the rat deck. Industrial Advancement. Mezio Mugger. Reign of Riches. Turf War. Kaldai Guardian. Dodgy Jalopy. First Responder. Next of Kin. Grime Gorger. Ooh, horror. Jolene the Plunder Queen. Legendary creature. Human warrior. That's a perfect name. Riveteers Confluence. Weathered Sentinels, Wall, Aether Snap, Deathbringer Regent, Dragon. Ooh. Ooh. If there are 5 or more creatures on the battlefield, destroy all other creatures. Nice. Disciple of Bolas. Mythic, Noxious Gearhulk. Painful Truths. Blasphemous Act. Chaos Warp. Atali Primal Storm. Legendary Creature, Elder Dinosaur. Mythic, Inferno Titan. Stalking Vengeance. Avatar. Warstorm Surge. I think that was one of the others. Avenger of Zendikar. Mythic. Evolutionary Leap. Giant Adaphage. Mythic. Green Warden Marasa. Mythic. Life's Legacy. It's a unicorn growing a tree with fruit on it. Mitotic Slime. Thragtusk. Tree Shaker Chimera. Woodfall Primus. World Shaper. Mythic Crush the Blood Braided Legendary Creature Human Warrior. Quite the warrior. Wind Grace's Judgment. Lifecrafters Bestiary. Solemn Simulacrum. Golem. Cinderglade. Exotic Orchard. Foreboding Ruins. Game Trail. Kessig Wolf Run. Mossfire Valley. Mosswort Bridge. Shadow Blood Ridge. Smoldering Marsh. Spine Rock Knoll. Temple of Malady. Twilight Mire. Felwar Stone. Oh, there's where the stone is. They didn't have it up the others. Soul Ring. Ash Barrens. Blightwood Woodland. Command Tower. Jund Panorama. Myriad Landscape. Path of Ancestry. Savage Lands. Temple of the False God. Thriving Bluff. Thriving Grove. Thriving Moor. Swamp. Mountain. Forest. Nice swamp, nice mountain, nice forest. Enhanced cardboard version. And the tokens. We've got Ooze Treasure. Ooze Treasure, Ooze Treasure, Ooze. Oh man, these are all Ooze Treasures. Citizen Plant, Beast Plant, Treasure Plant, tokens, and playing card. So that is the Riveteers. Put these up real quick and I'll grab out all of them to put up here. Give me 1 second. Gonna have to scan all of these and find out the value of each. The Riveteers I should have gotten for $35, but because Amazon was out of stock, they wouldn't price match at the neck, so I had to pay $50 for this daggum deck. And that was $35. All right, so brokers. Cabaretti. Maestros. Obscura. Riveteers. I have all 5. This camera got bumped a little bit. Till next time, have a good one.